Hi guys, welcome to Chidre's Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel. If you scroll down, you find Web Design and Development Tutorials section. In Web Design and Development Tutorials section, if you scroll to the right side, you find Bootstrap 5 tutorials playlist. If you click on View Full Playlist, you find all my Bootstrap tutorials, where I am explaining Bootstrap in depth and step by step guys. In this video, I would like to discuss Bootstrap progress related classes. We understand how we can create progress bars in Bootstrap step by step guys. I minimize everything. Here I have my website folder. I open it. I right click on default.html page, say open with notepad. You can see that default.html page is open in the notepad. Its title is set to Bootstrap demo. I minimize it. I right click on default.html page, say open with Google Chrome. You can see that default.html page is open in the Chrome. Title is set to Bootstrap demo. If you want to create progress bar, simply go to Google and search for Bootstrap 5 progress bar. Click on the link. It takes you to progress page. If you scroll down, you find various examples of progress bars guys. Let's say you want to create a progress bar like this. Simply copy the code below, go to your page and paste guys. If I save this, go to browser and reload, you see that progress bar is ready. And progress bar, you can see by default it appears in the blue color. Let's understand the structure. Here we have a parent div and inside that we have an inner div. And if you see outer div has a class of progress. What is progress class? Progress class is used to wrap one or more progress bar. It is used to wrap one or more progress bar. And it takes 100% width of the parent and it is going to have a background color of light gray. You can see light gray background color is applied. And inside that we have an inner div. The inner div has a class of progress bar. Of course, progress bar class is used to create progress bar itself guys, progress bar itself. And you can see that it has width set to 75%. I want to set 25%. So I simply say 25. Here area value now also I am going to set 25. Minimum is 0, maximum is 100. If I save this, go to browser and reload, you see we have a progress bar which is of 25% width. Like this you can create n number of progress bars once you understand the structure. See, I am going to say here margin bottom of 3. I am adding some margin at the bottom so that we can have a gap between progress bars. I paste here one more progress bar. This should take 50% width and here I say 50. Save it, go to browser and reload. You see we got one more progress bar where it is having width set to 50%. Like that I can say one more progress bar I can add, right? Simply I say here 75% and here I say 75. Save, go to browser and reload. We got one more progress bar, right, which has width of 75%. I say here width of 100 and here I say width 100. I save it, go to browser and reload. You see 100% width it is taking of the parent, right? This progress bar is occupying 100% width of the parent progress, right? If you want to set your own width, then you have to use the CSS style guys. So I remove this w-100. Instead of that I use style equal to, here I say width of 65% and here I say area value now 65. Simple. Okay. If I save this, go to browser and reload. So it is taking 65% width. You can see that. Like this you can create progress bars guys. Let's see more examples. If you want to display, you can display label also like 25% and all. Simply you add the content. So if I come here in the inner div, I'll say 25%. If I save this, go to browser and reload, it displays here 25%. You can see here, right? Here I say 50%, here I say 75%, here I say 100%, and here I say 65%. Save it, go to browser and reload. See, all the progress bars are having the label now, right? Let's see more. If you want, you can change the height of the progress bar also just by using the style height 1 pixels, 2 pixels, 10 pixels, 20 pixels. You should use the CSS style, okay? That is height property on the parent div, that is on the progress guys, okay? Now, if you want to have different background colors, you can definitely have different color progress bars. For that you have to use background color classes like BG success, BG info, BG warning, BG danger. You can see that. So simply if I come here, this progress bar should have BG dash primary is the by default guys, primary is default, and here I say bg dash, let's say warning. If I save, go to browser and reload, see it is displayed in the yellow color, right? Warning. If I say here bg dash danger, danger, I save it, go to browser and reload, you see it is displayed in the red color. So you use the background color on the progress bar, guys. Okay, background color classes. So if I say here bg dash info, I save it, go to browser and reload, you see it has a cyan blue color background, right? So you can use background color classes on your progress bar to display in different color, guys. Okay, and also you can use multiple progress bar in a single progress, guys. Like you can show a solid progress bar like this, right? So if I copy this code, Control C to copy, and come here and paste, save it, go to browser and reload, you see that you have multiple progress bars in a single progress parent div. You can see here progress bar, one more progress bar, one more progress bar, and each one has different width, 15%, 30%, 20%. So try this, guys, try this. Okay, fine. Next what we have? Next we have striped progress bar. So if you want to create striped progress bar like this, then you will use a class of progress bar striped. Progress bar striped. See, I'm going to copy this and use it in all. Okay, in all I can use. Simply here I say progress bar striped, here I say progress bar striped, here I say progress bar striped, here I say progress bar striped. Okay, here I say progress bar striped. If I save, go to browser and reload my page, you see all of them are striped progress bars now. Very simple. You have to use this class progress bar striped. If you want, you can animate also. You can animate your progress bar like this by using the class of progress bar animated. Progress bar animated. So I'm going to copy this class and paste it here. Paste, and after striped I'm pasting. Okay, progress bar animated. Progress bar animated. I save it, go to browser and reload. You can see that all the progress bar are animated, guys. Like this, you can add progress bar animated class and make your progress bars animated, guys. Very simple, right? And if you want to display some text above and below, you can definitely display. Like for example, I can say here H2, I say here HTML. Let's say I know HTML 25%. So I'll simply say here H2. I save this, go to browser and reload my page. You see it is showing HTML. Okay, I can use any class. Let's say H5 class. I use H5 class, save it, go to browser and reload. It displays small text here, small heading, right? HTML, I can copy, paste here and say CSS. I copy this and paste here and say JavaScript. I paste here. I say, let's say Bootstrap. I save it, go to browser and reload. You can able to show the text. You can show how much you know your subjects, the skill, right? So these are all skill progress bars. I hope you guys have clearly understood, right? So I suggest you people to try it yourself. If you have any doubts, feel free to put them in the comment section, guys. I'll be happy to clear. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about Bootstrap 5 in depth, step by step. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.